welcome to another episode of WOF and G. Yes, today it is another. Yes, it's another Ringside Exclusive, and if I'm perfectly honest, this one's very nice, very evil. Yes, it is the Ringside Exclusive. Now, forgive me if I am pronouncing this wrong. Danhausen? I don't know whether that is actually right, but I think it's Danhausen. I think it's pronounced like that. I'm waiting to get new hearing aids and everything, so I miss out on a lot of stuff. I think it's pronounced Danhausen. I think I originally thought it was Danhausen. I could have been right, but I pronounced it Danhausen for today. So we get that, and then that opens up, and very nice, very evil. A very evil wrestling figure, yes. And I have to say, when I very first saw Danhausen, I wasn't too sure about him, but I heard a lot of people talk really good about him, saying that he's great and everything. And in all honesty, he actually, what's the word I'm looking for? He grew on me. Especially when he started going cursing people. Yes, when he started doing that, he's so funny. He really is. He's a comedy wrestler, but he's good. If that sounds right. So yes, Danhausen. If I am saying it correct. Now, one thing I am going to mention: if you get this figure, and if you're someone that hasn't picked this figure up, this, when you take it out, it's got a plastic bit on the back that you take out. You take that out, and then I would suggest being very careful, because they put the cape through the plastic. They put the cape through the plastic. Now, I've seen a few figures do that kind of thing, and I have actually nearly, in the past, ripped whatever was through the plastic. It's a stupid idea, if you ask me, the way they put it through the plastic. Yes. Even more of a stupid idea with the fact that this Danhausen cape has actually got wire in the back of it. It's got wire in the back of it to basically hold it in place like that. Now, getting that out of the plastic, I've had to bend that wire. That then sort of puts it all out of place. So, if you get this figure and you're wanting it out on display, be very, very careful. I know people love their wrestling figures as much as I do, and they don't like to misshape stuff and things like that. But it has got wire in the cape, so you may just have to sort of slightly bend it in, but then you'll have to pull it back out. Don't bend it too much, because otherwise you've got to misshape all the cape and everything, But other than that, another, again, from Jazwares. I've just got to get the plastic off this, because it's got plastic on the arms. Where his tattoos are and stuff. So just take the hands out. You get another set of arms with this figure. Hands, should I say, not arms. You get another 2 sets of hands. Obviously, you get his cursing hands. You get open hands and... Ow! And then they're like that kind of hands. These are his open ones, but then you get sort of claw type hands, and then his cursing hands. You can easily take these apart, everything, because he's got plastic on the stomach area as well. Bit of a classic Jazwares thing. They do that on most figures, to be honest. I've noticed they stopped doing it on certain figures, and I don't know why. But they used to do it on all of them. Put plastic around them and everything. And, so yes, we put Danhausen back together again. And I'm guessing... no. You would have to take... If you wanted to take the cape off, you would have to literally... Oh no. Maybe not. No, it's Velcroed. No, you don't have to do that. I thought you needed to take the middle section off to get it off, but you don't, because it's actually Velcroed. It's Velcroed, and obviously that will then obviously come off over his head, and then you've got him without his cape. Woohoo! Danhausen! That's if I'm saying it right. Oh dear. A lot of detail gone into this, I must say. I love the gear. I love the gear that he's got on. And the tattoos. The tattoos are amazing. That one right along his chest is amazing. And then obviously you've got the ones on his arms and everything as well. Incredible figure by Jazwares. He's got what looks like rings on his finger as well. I don't know whether it is rings and stuff, because like I say, I don't really tend to follow AEW religiously like some people do. In all honesty, these days I'm more for the figures than I am the actual wrestling shows, because today's wrestling is nothing like it used to be. Some people would probably say, you're just living in the old times, but yeah, maybe so. But them old days of the wrestling, it was proper wrestling. Not the bloody fantasy bookings that they like to try and give people and everything these days. These days it's just all about talking on the microphone and bad acting, unfortunately. So, yes, anyway, that is my review of the Danhausen figure. Honestly, I really do. Again, like my previous video on Hook, I recommend the Ringside Exclusive version of that Danhausen, because that is an absolute amazing figure. If you can get hold of it, get it. It is absolutely amazing. Amazing figure. Again, I got mine from Wrestling Megastore, the same as Hook. And yeah. Sorry, I keep getting a bloody cut. Tickling my throat. So, where's that gone? I'll find it. So, yeah. Dan Danhausen, amazing figure. Absolute recommended to anybody who collects wrestling figures. And until next time, this was obviously my review on Danhausen, Ringside Exclusive. Until next time, I'm out.